Welcome to our channel today. We bring you the list of top 10 useful inventions for pets. Number 10 is Get Findster, zero monthly fee GPS tracking. GPS is one of the most famous inventions of the last few decades, an important technology that allows you to know the location of a target at any moment in time. You can find many gadgets or facilities available around you for GPS trackers, but most of them need a monthly charge or annual fee, which can add up soon. Findster Duo Plus is a real-time pet GPS tracker that does not require a subscription charge or cell coverage. It is super lightweight and compact in bulk, 50 grams. Your pal might not even recognize its presence when dragging it around, even though you have a little dog or pet. The contact range in an open field is up to 4.8 kilometers, meaning you can keep track of your pet's whereabouts anytime you want. With two sets, Findster Duo Plus arrives. One is the pet module that your pet can carry, and the other is the protector module that you can have alongside you. The pet module, fitted with GPS, acquires its GPS coordinates and transmits the data through an ISM band radio signal to the Guardian module. Sitting on number 9 is GoSmart Pet Leash. This smart Bluetooth gadget fulfills a whole host of functions. It acts as a standard dog leash with the additional advantage of being ergonomically built with your convenience in mind for long handling. Although the inside is soft TPE polyethylene, the outer handle is made of sturdy polycarbonate. The Go is intended for dog owners to replace the lead while walking their dogs to satisfy various practical requirements, e.g., shock-absorbing, reflective alternatives, etc. And there will be more color possibilities in the future. Still, we reviewed the system with a normal rope, metallic gray, for this analysis. Insert the rope buckle, made of reinforced metal, into the handle slot before you hear the sound of a click. Do not press too hard. The buckle button above the Go button allows the leash to come out very quickly if you need to drop it. 8th place goes to GoPro Fetch, wearable pet harness. GoPro users have used their smartphones to record from all types of locations, including inside washing machines and when poaching eggs in a jar. Now, from their dog's viewpoint, they will figure out what the universe is like. The company has launched the Fetch, a camera harness for your man's best buddy. Other camera accessories for dogs are available, but GoPro itself provides the Fetch for the first time. The Fetch harness offers a way to tie a GoPro to either the back or chest of a dog and is adjustable from 15 pounds to 120 pounds, 7 to 54 kilograms, to suit dogs. The camera mounts installed into the harness are compatible with GoPro Hero cameras, and the saddle is provided with mounting hardware. A rope is often given to guarantee that a customer's camera stays tied to the harness should the mounting kit malfunction or be broken by the rough and tumble of a puppy. GoPro says the Fetch can be used in the dirt, snow, water, and wooded conditions, and that the mount is built for longevity. It can be machine washed or hand washed if the need exists, or more definitely, when. Wonderwoof Dog Activity Social Network takes number 7 position. Make sure that the Wonderwoof Bowtie Dog Behavior Tracker helps your dog live a happy and safe life. This trendy wearable links to your mobile, enabling you to watch the level of activity and social engagement of your dog. To help you keep on board, the Wonderwoof Bowtie allows you to set reminders for vet visits, grooming, and more. Also, the fitness tracker makes it possible to watch how much exercise the dog gets every day. Similarly, it tests your pet's prescribed regular activity needs to be based on their age, breed, and height. The dog behavior tracker lets you communicate with other owners and dogs nearby through a map-based social network. You can also customize the Wonderwoof Bowtie, available in 7 different shades, using interchangeable accessory bands. Number 6 is Sureflap Microchip Pet Door. Using the current exclusive identity microchip or RFID collar tag, one tag provided with the product, opening only for your pet and leaving intruder animals at the entrance, the Sureflap Microchip Pet Door identifies your pet. The Sureflap Microchip Pet Door is a secure pet door built to keep unwanted critters and nearby cats out of your house for cats and small dogs. This Sureflap pet door, designed with RFID technology, is fitted with the market's fastest chip reader for pet doors that can detect your pet's microchip. The Sureflap pet door fits with all of your vet's tracking microchips and the Sureflap RFID collar tags provided upon purchase. To prevent the door material from interfering with the microchip sensor, it is advised to buy the Sureflap mounting adapter if mounted in a metal or glass door. If you want to place it on a wall, you should buy the Sureflap door and wall mount kit. Litter Robot Self-Cleaning Litter Box wins our number 5 position. The Litter Robot 3 has an expansive litter chamber and a more comprehensive upward-facing entrance, making it an open-air look for big cats, making it much more welcoming and relaxed. Both small and more giant cats can be readily identified by the self-adjusting weight sensor. Cats must weigh at least 5 pounds. The litter is immediately sifted with each use, as in all Litter Robot units, and waste is collected into a comfortable drawer, all while using less debris and reducing the litter scattering and recording. With the Litter Robot, pet owners all over the world have welcomed more straightforward pet care. Join the 250,000 plus families who make up the No Scoop campaign. After each use, a clean bed of litter is useful for households with multiple cats, especially territorial ones. No more than 3 to 4 cats are recommended per single Litter Robot. Within minutes, the machine sifts waste to eliminate unwanted smells significantly. The fully sealed waste drawer, carbon filtered, is an easy-to-empty design. Use every bag. The 4th place goes to Dog Parker Smart Dog House. Outside the storefronts, dog parkers are smart dog houses that offer a safe and secure spot for your dog to sit while you are indoors. To ensure your dog is relaxed and healthy all year round, 32 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, dog parkers instantly cool the temperature. They are built to easily match most dogs and use fans to keep the air fresh inside. The surfaces of the interior are firm, non-porous, comfortable, and easy to clean. UV lights are often used to destroy bacteria, viruses, and molds between apps, giving you extra peace of mind. Other than that, they are wired to the internet, allowing you to keep track of items instantly at any time from your mobile. The way you do, they care about your dog. That's why they built the most technologically sophisticated doghouse that enables you to provide protection and security for your dog when on the go. 3rd place goes to Oscillot Cat Containment System. The Oscillot device is designed to give owners who wish their kitties to enjoy the great outdoors and preference that would not result in their getting lost, struck by a car, assaulted by the dog or cat of someone else, stolen, polluted by the rate control efforts of the neighbor, taken to the pound. The Oscillot device consists of a pair of 2-meter-long 4-bladed aluminum paddles and your color pick. Using Oscillot post kits and fixing screws, they fly around the top of your fence. Whichever paddle this paw touches will spin as your cat attempts to climb or move up the slope, and he won't be able to get the leverage he needs to go over the top. Oscillate will have a motion-operated recording that booms, "You shall not move." The 2nd place goes to Pet on Wheels Carrier System. When looking to take their 4-legged buddies with them when leaving their house, dog owners who do not have access to a family car or personal car could face some obstacles. Maybe they'd like to take their dogs to the vet for a regular checkup or a fun day together at the park or beach. However, with the Pet on Wheels pet carrier, whether they have a truck, scooter, or even a motorcycle, they can safely take their furry companion with them on a trip. Specifically made for dogs of smaller sizes, the POW, Cat on Wheels, pet carrier can comfortably accommodate any little dog weighing up to 22 pounds, 10 kilograms. The Pet on Wheels pet carrier is safe and convenient and encourages your dog, mainly when used on 2-wheelers, to stick his head out and enjoy the journey. With it, both dogs and their loving owners will have a much better access to beaches, parks, or whatever another spot they want to visit outdoors. Our number 1 is iFetch, Automatic Ball Launcher. With the iFetch Mini Automatic Ball Launcher dog gadget, give your arm a rest. Built for a small size to medium-sized dogs in particular, this immersive dog toy launches the ball for you. It's great for doing such things as getting his dinner ready while ensuring he gets all the emotional and physical exercise he wants while you're out or busy. All you have to do is plug it in, pick the starting distance, and drop it into a mini ball. Your puppy will quickly discover how to lose it on his own, which encourages his mind and makes it easier to play entirely independently. The automatic ball launcher is primarily built for small to medium-sized dogs. It comes with 3 mini tennis balls that have a diameter of 1.6 inches, easier to fetch with little mouths. With a sleek plastic build with rubber boots, it works almost quietly, holding it in place. We enjoy you to please use our comments section to reach us, and we will always be here to attend to your comments. I hope you like our video. Do not forget to sign up for our YouTube channel. Still tap the bell icon to see our new and exciting videos update.